Okay.
Oh, it hit it. I could hear it. I heard the shot. Let's go for a no shot, Matt. We want a wing shot so it lives a bit.
I'm trying to get a bit closer to you.
Don't hit it dead on the nose because that's where the motor is.
Well, hit it where you hit it.
On your gun, Matty, don't worry. Bring it in, this way. Left, here it comes.
Look at this. We've got a nice hole in the tail. Oh my god. Look at that.
Just a little bit of buckshot damage.
What about the pigeon? Oh, we've got the nose. Oh, something's gone in there. But yeah, look. Shot. Oh, look at all the little shot. There's little bits of lead in it. What about the battery?
Oh, he's got a hole in his battery.
Oh no!
He's shot his battery.
Oh, precious. Oh well.
What blew it in the end? Was it power? Cyber damage.
That's your distance. Now.
There she is, a beautiful specimen.
2 shots though to get it. I thought that would go in 1, no problem. How's my battery?
Nice peppered effect.
Yeah, that was Murray shooting.
Look, go straight through the wing.
I think you
never thought that.
Matty. I
think everyone's hit it. It's just whether we hit an